Hi, in this video I will explain about the assignment model, which is the Hungarian method will be applied. The assignment model basically is a simplified version of the transformation model. It is a special case of the transformation model where people represent sources and jobs represent destinations. In this problem, we try to assign certain jobs or tasks or machines to certain people or objects or operators in such a way to minimize cost or to maximize profit. And for this problem, I will apply the Hungarian method. Let us do an example for this problem. SKSN company has 4 engineers to be assigned to 4 different projects. Find the projects that should be assigned to the engineers that will minimize the total times in days to complete all the projects. The first step is we need to calculate the row subtraction, meaning that we choose the minimum cost in each row and subtract it from every element of each row. So we start with the first row, which is engineer Muhammad. The lowest or the minimum cost is project D, which is 6. Then the value of 6 we subtract from 9, 9, 8, and 6 itself. So the row subtraction will be 3, 3, 2, 0. Then we proceed with the second row, engineer Nur, which is the lowest cost is 7. And the value of 7 will be subtract from 8, 10, and 7 itself. So for engineer Nur, the row subtraction is 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 8 is 1, 0, and 3. Same goes to Ong. The lowest cost is 8. 8 minus 11 minus 13 minus 9. So we have 3, 5, 1, 0. And for Parvin, the minimum cost is 8 minus 10, 12, 11, and 8 itself. So we will have 2, 4, 0, and 3. Now we complete all the row subtractions. Okay, for the second step, we need to calculate the column subtraction, which is choose the minimum cost in each column and subtract it from every element of the column. And now if you look at here, for project A, the minimum is 0. So the value of 0 minus 3 minus 0 minus 3 minus 2, I have 3, 0, 3, 2. Similar goes to project B. The minus cost is 1. So 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 4, I have 2, 0, 4, 3. For project C, the minimum cost is 0. And then I subtract all, I have 2, 0, 1, 0. For project D, the minimum is 0. I subtract with all the elements, I have 0, 3, 0, 3. Now I have a column for, I have a table for column subtraction. And from here, I can test for optimality by drawing minimum number of horizontal line and vertical lines to cover all zeros. Optimal if number of minimum lines equals to the number of rows or column, and then we can stop. Okay, now I'm drawing lines to cover all the zeros. First line, second line, third line, and fourth line. This is all the lines actually. I have 4 lines and it is not the minimum lines. I can draw again. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 3 lines, which is this is the minimum number of lines. Now the total lines that I have is 3, and the number of row or columns is 4. I have 4 columns for row here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So since these two values are not equal, meaning that my solution is not optimal, then I need to proceed to the next step, which is step 4. And for the step 4, okay, step 4 is subtract the smallest number of uncovered numbers from every uncovered numbers and add 2 to the intersection of the lines. Okay, in my case, the uncovered numbers are 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Among these values, the smallest number is 2. That's why I write 2 here. And then the value of 2 will be subtract to another uncovered values. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 4, and 2 minus 3. And also add the value of 2 to the intersections of the line. Intersection of the lines are 0 and 3. So 2 should be plus to the 0 and 3. Now this is the next reduce table. So to test the optimality, I need to draw few lines that cover all the zeros. So I have total lines. This is the minimum one, and which is 4, and it is equal to the number of rows or column, which is also 4. Thus, I can conclude that the solution is optimal. Now we can start to do the project assignment, which is it is based on the zero values in the table. Okay, we start with the row that has 1, 0, which is Ong. And Ong will be assigned to project D. And Muhammad will be assigned to project B. I cannot choose D because D already taken by Ong. Noor will be assigned to the project A. I cannot choose project B because project B already assigned to Muhammad. And the last one, Parvin, will be assigned to do project C. And the total time is 32 days. That's all. Thank you.